Hello, good afternoon everybody. Today we will going to discuss about the antenna and its application. Today we seen the V antenna. This is the new type of the antenna and a better version of the long antenna is the V antenna. This antenna formed by arranging the long wire in a V-shaped pattern, and the end wire are called as legs, and this antenna is the bidirectional resonant antenna. Then the frequency range, the frequency range of the operation of the V antenna is around 3 to 30 megahertz, and this antenna works in high frequency range. Then construction and working, this is the construction of the V type of the antenna. Here the two long wires are connected in the shape of the V, and to make a V antenna, the two long wires are excited with the 180 degree out of phase, and as the length of this wire increases, the gain and directivity is also increases. Then following figure shows that the V antenna with the transmission line impedance Z and the length of the wire is lambda by 2, and making an angle phi m with the axis, which is called as the apex angle. This is the two long wires having the impedance is given Z and its length is lambda by 4, and this is the apex angle. Then the gain is achieved by the V antenna is higher than the normal angle long wire antenna, and the gain of this V formation is nearly twice as compared to the single long wire antenna. Then if the wide range of the radiation is to be achieved, the apex angle means this is the apex angle. Basically this is the apex angle. This apex angle have the average value between the higher and lower frequencies in terms of the lambda by 2 in the each leg. Then this is the radiation pattern. In the radiation pattern is nothing but the schematic representation of the strength of the signal, and it shows the type, its operation of the antenna. It is the bidirectional antenna, and its radiation is also bidirectional. This arrow it will be show the resultant directivity. Here is this is the major lobe, and here is the minor lobes. Then the radiation pattern of the V antenna is bidirectional, and the radiation obtained on each transmission line is added to obtain the resultant radiation pattern. Then the advantages and disadvantages of the V type of the antenna. The advantages is the construction is very simple, having the high gain and low manufacturing cost. Its disadvantages is the standing waves are formed, the minor lobes are occurred in also strong and used only for the fixed frequency operations. Then application, it is used for commercial purpose and radio communications. Then the next type of the antenna, which is called as the inverted V antenna, means this is the image of the actual V type of the antenna, and we have studied the V antenna and its operating frequency is limited. Basically this will be modified by using the another antenna, which is the non-resonant type of the antenna, or it is also non-resonant type of the antenna is also called as the traveling wave antenna. And the traveling wave antenna is produce no standing waves, and its frequency range is between 3 to 30 megahertz as same type of the V type of the antenna. But this antenna is worked for the high frequency range, and the traveling wave antenna used in high frequency band, and this inverted V antenna is easily installed on the non-conducting mast. Here is the actual construction of the inverted V type of the antenna. Means this figure shows the inverted V antenna mounted on the roof of the top. Then the maximum radiation for inverted V antenna is at its center, and it is similar to the half wave dipole antenna. Then the antenna is placed in the shape of the inverted V. This is the inverted V, and its two transmission lines are bended towards the ground and making an angle between the 120 degree or 90 degree. The center of the antenna should not be higher than the lambda by 4, and the angle made by the one of the legs with the axis of the antenna is known as tilt angle, which is denoted by theta. This is the radiation pattern. There are the different three cases to obtain the radiation pattern. In red line it will be shows that very preliminary level of the radiation pattern to getting. It's the angle, means its tilt angle is the 120 degree. At that time it slightly move towards the 0 dB, it will be show the radiation pattern, and the green it shows the perfectly radiation pattern. The gain and directivity are the important by the array of an antenna. Then advantages, it occupies the very less horizontal place, no standing waves are formed, having the high gain. Disadvantages is it has the considerably undesired minor lobes. Minor lobes are created horizontally polarized waves. Then application, the following applications of the inverted via antenna. First is the used in tuned circuit, means the RF circuit or RF frequency of an antenna, it is used there. It is used in the radio communication, and it is used in the commercial applications. Thank you very much. I hope that you like my video. If any doubts, any query, please you write on my comment page. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.